Welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. In this video, we'll break down a core concept in data engineering, ETL versus ELT. What do these terms mean, how are they different, and why does it matter? ETL stands for extract, transform, load. Here's how it works. Extract data from sources like databases or APIs. Transform the data, clean it, filter it, format it. Load the transformed data into a target system, usually a data warehouse. ETL is great when you want to clean and structure data before storing it. ELT flips the process: extract, load, transform. Extract the data, load the raw data directly into a data warehouse or data lake. Transform the data after it's already stored. ELT works well with modern cloud platforms that can handle large volumes of raw data and perform transformations efficiently inside the warehouse. Let's talk about the difference between ETL and ELT, two key approaches in data engineering. ETL stands for extract, transform, load. In this process, data is extracted from the source, transformed, meaning it's cleaned, structured, and formatted, and then loaded into a data warehouse or database. ELT, on the other hand, stands for extract, load, transform. Here, the raw data is first loaded directly into the data warehouse, and then the transformation happens inside the warehouse itself. So, when does the transformation happen? In ETL, it happens before the data is stored. In ELT, it happens after the data has been stored. Now, let's talk about speed. ETL can be slower, especially when you're working with large volumes of data, because the transformation step happens before loading. ELT is typically faster when paired with modern cloud-based platforms, since these platforms are designed to handle transformation at scale, directly within the storage layer. In terms of flexibility, ETL is more rigid. The transformations are usually predefined and locked in before the data reaches storage. ELT offers more flexibility. It allows you to store raw data first, and decide how and when to transform it based on your needs. Now, what tools are used for each approach? ETL is commonly supported by tools like Informatica and Talent, tools that have been around for a while and are great for traditional workflows. ELT, meanwhile, is more aligned with modern cloud platforms like Snowflake, BigQuery, and Databricks. So, when should you choose one over the other? Use ETL if your data needs to be cleaned and standardized before it's stored, especially when you're working with legacy systems that expect clean data at the point of entry. But if you're working with cloud-native platforms and want to keep raw data for flexibility or future use, ELT is the way to go. To summarize, ETL is about cleaning data before storing it. ELT is about storing raw data first, and cleaning it later inside the warehouse. Both methods are valuable, and your choice depends on your infrastructure, your use case, and the tools you're working with. In our next video, we'll bring these concepts to life by showing how ETL and ELT work in real-world data pipelines. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning with data engineering with Avaneeth.